Today we are at 504 Skyline Drive in Haledon, New Jersey, a beautiful 2-level townhome with 3 bedrooms, 2 full, 1/2 bathroom, 1-car garage, a beautiful view of the Garrett Mountain and Passaic Valley skyline, and you could even see New York City from the primary bedroom. It is absolutely beautiful. You're gonna wanna check this. I'm so excited for this home to come on the market. If you are looking for a home in the Haledon, New Jersey area, this is a gorgeous one to check out. Even though it's a townhouse, it doesn't give you that feel. It gives you the feel of a real home because it has multiple levels, so many bedrooms and bathrooms, a garage, and this view is everything. And if you commute to New York City, you are just a couple of minutes from the Wayne Transit Center that takes you directly into New York. So if you want to see this place, let me know. Thanks for coming on the tour with me of this beautiful townhome at 504 Skyline Drive in Haledon, New Jersey. If you want to set up a private showing, please contact us today. We can't wait to help you. Remember, who you work with matters. It's Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group, and it's snowing out. Have a great day. Stay warm.